guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Denise, and for today's vlog, nasa Jensen ako ngayon. I'm here for the vacation and Christmas break, so I'll be vlogging my whole stay here. Right now, we're on the way to church, and after that, we're just gonna visit the house, and we're gonna go to SM, and then after that, punta na kami sa Marble. So, yeah. I want to straighten my hair, but feel like it's okay na. I did not curl this, guys. I just put it in a bun. Yung pillar, good, na dalawa. Pwede mag-akyat sa taas ko yan? We're here at our house. So we're visiting our house here in Jensen. It's under renovation kasi wala na yung nakatira dito. We're upstairs because this is my room. Hindi pa siya maayos. Pero ganito siya. Ay, wey, ganito. Yani! 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 Hi guys, so parang nakakalimutan ko na mag-vlog today. But it's already 7:07 p.m. We're here at the farm getting dinner. So, yeah. Ba yan, puro mukbang na talaga yung vlog ko. Okay, I'm gonna go there na. Look at their Christmas tree. So cute. I don't know when I'm gonna see my friends. Sana magpakita na kayo sa akin at mag-set up na tayo ng date. But I think hindi nila makikita tong video kasi popost ko siya pag uwi ko pa. So hindi pala kami dito 2 weeks. Parang 1 week lang kami kasi hanggang 29 lang kami. Okay, fit check. So the top and the pants are from Uniqlo, and then shoes is Hoka. I think we're gonna go home na, guys. I don't know what to vlog anymore. I feel like this trip is gonna be boring kasi parang tinatamad akong gumala. So let's see if this vlog will end up somewhere. Bye. Hi guys, so it's the next day. It's already 12 o'clock. I'm currently getting ready because I'm gonna meet my friends. I'm gonna meet my friends sa city. Now I'm figuring out paano pupunta dun. Dito sa house namin, wala masyadong dumadaan na like tricycle or what. So, hindi ko alam paano papunta doon. This is my fit. I was supposed to wear a halter top na pink. But then, I didn't bring my nipple tape. So, ang weird kasi pag nakikita yung strap sa likod. I like it here, guys, kasi you can see it's so green, it's so peaceful. It's just nature. Montage. Isang tomato pasta raw. Isa pong biscoff matcha.
Curious ako sa lasa ng hodicha.
O sige, try mo.
Saan hodicha po? For cheese.
Matcha tapos cheese. Ito na lang ate. Yes.
Sige.
Hey guys, we're at
LJQ Lounge.
saan yan?
Sa Antipolo Street.
Antipolo Street, pero sa Mindanao. We're waiting for our friend. Ang tagal niya kasi.
Kakagising niya lang.
Catch you guys later. Hi guys. So I'm here at the mall. I'm about to buy gifts for our random exchange gifts kasi we have a family Christmas party tomorrow and I don't have anything pa. Here guys, panty. This cost 120. Small, medium. 3 lang pala kami girls. We're here at the brief section. So medyo marami silang boys. Let's count again guys. 1, 2, 3. Bale mga 6. Dapat nga 20 to eh. I'm already done with my gifts, guys. Doon na siya. Ang poster yun namin ko kasi pinakita niya sa akin yung sa kapatid ko. So, alam ko na kukunin ko. Guess who I'm with? Meron yan! Meron yan! Oh my gosh. Guys, luto ni Zoe. Tapos na chikahan yan. Chika man. Hi guys, we're at 12. I'm with Zoe. It's already 12:23. So low but na. We're just waiting for our order.
During vlogger, I'm speaking voice.
Vlogger talaga guys. Food guys. Coffee, matcha, and fries. Mag-smile ka Zoe. So ano, abangan mo yung vlog ko na to. Parang weird na Lipat ko siya.
Ulitin na magsaka sa bubong kay delikado. Eh ang Ginoo.
Wala yan, gado.
Wala. Oh, yeah. Say hi!
Say hi, tapos nag-ganyan.
Say hi! Hi! So pretty! So pretty! Against the light ka.
Bluetooth committed.
Sige, kain!
Oh, yan ako rin. Yan.
Ano ba yan? Walo, di mo ba?
Tatlo guys! Tatlo! Okay lang yan.
Wait lang! Wala pa gani! Wala pa!
Say hi! I'm with...
Hi.
Ay, dito. Ano yan? Tangina.
Google Maps
Say hi, bala.
May Google Maps na natin para kayo mag-Google Maps.
Sila na naman, guys. Sila na naman. Guard ng makeup ko. Hindi ko siya natapos. Pero kakatapos lang namin mag-samgyup. Hi.
Where's the Celeste? Wow. Ayan. No, di ba nagdagat kami?
Hi, guys. We're here
Hi, guys.
at a what?
At a flea market.
We're here at a flea market.
Bakit orange talaga?
Orange talaga yan. I don't need to ganun na kasi...
Wow. DJ Itings. Marian, did you get something today?
No, I did not get anything. What did you get?
I got... Nasaan na? Ito. I have an earrings. Wow! Yay! And I also got a bag. Look at
What
this.
bag?
This bag. Hey!
It's so nice, guys, no? Yeah, I want her bag, guys. This was from Ukay lang.
Okay, but it's LV and it's okay. And I know if
Yeah, it's
Yan?
it's like what's the price? What's the price?
this one was originally like 480, but then I got it for 350.
It was a steal. It was a steal. Oh, what did you get? What did you get?
Hey guys. I got this necklace katabi nung shop that I originally wanted to buy from kasi maraming tao doon. And this one was way cheaper and it looked exactly the same as how I wanted it to be.
Yes.
I hope so. Oh, sabi niya Sabi nung nagtitinda, guys.
Sabi niya lang. But we're about to buy matcha na. We ordered sea salt matcha.
Yes.
Walking to the beach. Guys, this is my fit. This is just from TikTok shop and this is from my Lola. So nice, no? Ang cute to.
Gani, pero mag-try tayo yan.
Bye yan, bye. Low tide siya, guys. Siguro sa morning na lang ako mag-swim. So, hinihintay lang namin yung iba namin relatives. Tapos siguro, yun, mag-hangout na kami.
So, hi guys! Ate Karen!
We're taking over Marian's vlog. Joke lang, wala pa siya nag-vlog pero kami na yung nag-vlog para sa kanya.
I feel like,
Iset mo good yung settings.
Hi! Ayun na yun! Ano Marian? Sa ano? Pinakaunang...
No!
Yan ang problema sa'yo.
Bless on it.
Yan ang problema.
Hey guys.